How to change monitor refresh rate on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your monitor refresh rate on Windows 11. Go to Start button here and on search icon, search for Advanced Display Settings. Now, here you can see View Advanced Display Info System Settings. Click on it. And now you'll be on Advanced Display inside System. Now, here on the screen you can find an option Choose a refresh rate. A higher rate gives smoother motion but also uses more power. More about refresh rate. You can read about it more here and it'll load to Chrome. But for now, here on the right hand side you can find the option to change your refresh rate. So you can select and change the refresh rate by simply tapping on it. So this way you can change or choose monitor refresh rate on Windows 11. Hope you liked the video, like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.